Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your homes. So today we will start chapter number 27 from your book Grammar Way. This chapter will be added in your first term. So we will study this chapter, but remaining chapters we will study after the first term. And the chapter name is composition. So, tell me what is important to describe a person. What is important? A person important. The person's looks like. How do a person look like, and how he or she dresses, his or her dresses, and his or her facial expressions, and his or her qualities. So these are the 4 qualities how to describe a person. What is through which points we describe an object? Through which point we describe an object? So we start with a strong opening sentence. We suitable describing words to talk about. Suitable describing words to talk about is shape, size and color, about an object. So this is very important to describe an object, through which things we understand and see the whole meaning of the story. Through which things and understand to see the whole story meaning. This is pictures. Through picture writing, picture composition, we understand and see the meaning of the story. So in this chapter, we will study about describing a person, describing an object, and picture composition, pictures a story. So to more understand, let's read this chapter. Okay children, this is your chapter composition. So let's start describing a person. To describe a person, we must include these points. What the person looks like, his or her facial expressions, how she dresses, his or her qualities. Also use describing words for the following. Bring attention to the way the person moves or talks. Talk about his or her unusual feature, if any. Here are some describing words you can use to describe a person's appearance. Number 1, shape of the face. Shape of the face: oval, round, broad, square. Eyes: black, brown, blue, green. Hair: black, long, short, curly. Body: slim, lean, muscular, plump. Let's learn how we can describe a person. The first sentence introduce the person, then write 4 to 5 sentences describing the person. Finally mention qualities the person has. So in this way we describing a person. For example, my mother. My mother is my favorite person. She always has a gentle smile on her face. She has a round face, black eyes, and lovely long hair. My mother is very helpful. She helps me to get ready for school. She helps me with my homework too. She also cooks my favorite food. I love my mother a lot. So this is the how in this way we describe a person. Next one is describing an object. To describe an object, remember these points. Number 1, use a strong opening sentence. Use suitable describing words to talk about its shape, size and color. Be creative and write what you feel about the object you are describing. Here are some words that you can describe an object. Color: bright, dull, tiny, big. Beautiful, plain, fancy, elegant, expensive, cheap, sharp, smooth, red, pink, shiny, colorful. So these are the qualities when we describe an object. This is the example. Look at the picture of a school bag. Describe it. This is my school bag. It is big and roomy. The bag has many pockets. It has a big front pocket for keeping my lunchbox. The bag also has 2 shoulders straps. It looks really pretty. Its body is in shape of blue, pink and purple. I really like my school bag. So this is the example of describing an object. This is the picture. This is a picture story. So number 1 point, इसमें पॉइंट्स बताने हैं कौन से पॉइंट पर कौन सी पिक्चर्स आएगी, क्या आएगी. पिक्चर कंपोजिशन. टू राइट अ पिक्चर कंपोजिशन, रिमेंबर दीज पॉइंट्स. ऑब्जर्व द पिक्चर केयरफुली. आस्क योरसेल्फ क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन पिक्चर एंड नोट डाउन द answers. Arrange your points neatly. Write meaningful sentences to form a paragraph. Write a title for the picture based on its main theme. So this is an example of picture composition. Look at the picture carefully. You may ask yourself these points. What is the picture about? Who can I see in the picture? How does everyone look and feel? What are they doing? What is on the table? What else can I see in the picture? So through these questions we understand, we answer these questions and write a picture composition. So through these questions we create Shweta's birthday party. Shweta is celebrating her birthday with her friends. All the children are wearing hats and looks happy. Shweta's hat is bigger than those of her friends. The children are standing near the table which has lots of yummy food items. There is a cake, pizzas, samosas and refreshing drinks. We can also see the words happy birthday on the wall and several balloons in the picture. It is a colorful and happy looking picture. So this is a picture of Shweta's birthday party. So have you understood about describing a person, describing an object and picture composition? So if you have any doubt, read this chapter once or twice thoroughly. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you very much.